కొత్త సంవత్సరం మొదలైన తొలి రోజునే ఇస్రో కీలక ప్రయోగాన్ని చేపట్టి విజయవంతం చేసింది. పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-58 రాకెట్ ద్వారా ఎక్స్పోషాట్ ఉపగ్రహాన్ని కక్షలోకి ప్రవేశపెట్టింది. ప్రయోగం మొదలైన 21 నిమిషాలకే నిర్ణీత కక్షలోకి ఉపగ్రహాన్ని పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-58 రాకెట్ ప్రవేశపెట్టింది. 480 కిలోల బరువున్న ఈ ఉపగ్రహం రాకెట్ విజయవంతంగా కక్షలోకి ప్రవేశపెట్టింది. ఈ ఎక్స్పోషాట్ ఉపగ్రహం ఎక్స్ మూలాలను వాటి పనితీరును అధ్యయనం చేయనుంది. ఇక ఎక్స్పోషాట్ ఉపగ్రహం 5 ఏళ్లతో పాటు తన సేవల్లో అందించనుంది. ప్రయోగం తర్వాత ఇస్రో శాస్త్రవేత్తలు చైర్మన్ సోమనాథ్ అభినందించారు.
With the 9 of the onboard payloads, and that will take some time, and we will come back to listen to all of that, what happened in the POEM experiments in the desired orbit of 650 kilometer, 6-degree inclination, and we'll be waiting for the exact orbital parameters that will just now come. And we are also waiting for the satellite to have its solar panel deployed. That also will come in a few seconds from now. From this point, the orbit of the PSLV 4 stage will be reduced to a lower orbit, where the upper stage of the PSLV, which is now described as POEM, PSLV Orbital Experimental Module, will carry out experiments with the 9 of the onboard payloads. And that will take some time. And we will come back to listen to all of that, what happened in the POEM experiments little later. Meantime, let me also announce the orbit that has been accomplished, which is available through various routes. It shows excellent orbit, and the deviations from the targeted orbit is hardly just 3 kilometers in circular orbit of 650 kilometer, and inclination is 001 degree, which is one of the very excellent orbital condition. And yet another announcement is the solar panel of the satellite also has been deployed successfully. So with this, the new year has begun.
As you all know, ExpoSat is a space observatory, but what makes this mission more interesting is the host of new technologies that are getting demonstrated in the POEM-3 experiment. We have fuel cell, we have the silicon-based 10 ampere hour high energy battery, green monopropellant thrusters, amateur radio satellite service, and more important, a totally women engineered satellite for the comparison of solar irradiance and UV index. This, I think, showcases women empowerment in the field of science and technology, and all the payloads, in fact, demonstrate the reforms that are currently sweeping the Indian space sector. But today's success has been made possible by the tremendous efforts put in by a whole group of people from Team ISRO, along with other stakeholders.
This is the unique mission, ExpoSat. It is a unique mission, and this is first mission worldwide to have a study of polarized X-ray sources, and the second mission for polarization. So first time we will be this mission will give the polarization aspects of high energy cosmic sources and in medium energy band, and this will study magnetic field distribution in cosmic sources, and how magnetic field means originating, and alignment of these cosmic sources like black holes, and this pulsar wind and sources, and all these cosmic sources. So it will be the extreme and experiment for our scientific community. Once this mission is commissioned, it will be very fruitful for scientific community worldwide. And I take this opportunity to thank Chairman ISRO, Central Director URSC, all Central Directors, for making this mission possible by their support and guidance. And special thanks to my former project directors, Shri Amreshwar Kenneth, Shri K. Suresh, and Shri Dr. Palani Murugan, for leading this mission in different stages of realization. And special thanks to my project team, project executive across the center, and payload team from Raman Research Institute and the Space Astronomy Group of URSC, for their relentless effort for making this mission possible and realizing on time. And my special thanks to entire review committee for their guidance and support throughout the mission, and special thanks to industry partners and URSC team for their invaluable contributions for these missions. Now we are waiting for successful commissioning of these missions, and I am really privileged and honored to be part of this mission.
And what a great takeoff on this New Year day with the successful launch of PSLV C58 XPOSat mission. So apart from the main satellite, already project director has mentioned about the other payloads. There are some important payloads like fuel cell, which we will be demonstrating in the POEM phase, that is the subsequent phase when PS4 is used as a platform. And that POEM fuel cell will have potential application in our future missions like space station. So I wish Happy New Year, as well as I congratulate the entire ISRO launch vehicle centers, especially